Hey everyone, welcome back to I Survive Thrive. Today, we're covering the ultimate survival prepping checklist to ensure you're ready for any situation. Whether you're preparing for SHTF or just want to be more self-reliant, this checklist will help you cover all your bases. First, make sure your survival bag includes essential gear like a multi-tool, portable medical kits, and a fire starter. Don't forget a reliable flashlight, water filter, and high-calorie food. For DIY prepping, consider adding homemade first aid supplies and emergency food pouches. An organized prepping kit means easier access in emergencies. Include items that ensure family safety and practical solutions for outdoor survival. Remember, cost-effective prepping can still be thorough, so balance quality with budget. Stay prepared and ensure you have everything covered with this survival prepping checklist. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.